Wow, what an incredible night. The Don Salivan Grounds Management Award was named in memory of an outstanding contributor to Landscape Ontario. Considering that the Salivan family ran a landscape business for 100 years, it seems fitting that this award honors maintenance. Projects selected for this award demonstrate that when landscapes are properly managed, maintenance services protect and even enhance the value of the original landscape environment. Let's reveal this year's winners of the Don Salivan Award. I invite the team from Rockscape to the stage. Congratulations.